Are you contemplating buying a self-cleaning cat litter box? Yet there are so many options available, it can be difficult to understand what's best suited for your cat. To aid in your decision, we'll be covering one of the best self-cleaning cat litter box, for multiple cats. If you are looking for a reliable and highly effective product, the LitterMaid Multi-Cat Self-Cleaning Litter Box fits that desire perfectly. Features automatic scooping with a rake that removes waste for a clean and fresh start. Requires no daily scooping, meaning you have a scoop-free cleanup for up to 7 days. On top of that, lined with high walls to prevent litter scatter, and a paw cleaning ramp to help prevent tracking around the box. And the waste receptacle and carbon filter keep the odor contained until it's ready to be emptied. Here are the specifications of this great product. Here's why we think this model is the best value product. Here are the ratings of this great product. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any further questions, feel free to drop us a comment below, and we will get back to you as soon as we can.